Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kebab yogurt sauce. First, ensure you have all your fresh ingredients ready, including plain yogurt, a crisp cucumber, and a few cloves of garlic. For the best results, I recommend using a good quality, full-fat Greek yogurt. It provides a wonderfully creamy base. Don't forget to finely chop some fresh herbs like mint or dill to add that essential aromatic touch. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious sauce. Now, let's get those ingredients prepped. Take about 1/2 of a medium cucumber and grate it. It's crucial to squeeze out as much excess water as possible from the grated cucumber. This prevents your sauce from becoming watery. Next, mince 2 cloves of garlic very finely, or use a garlic press for convenience. Finally, in a mixing bowl, combine your prepared yogurt, the drained cucumber, minced garlic, and a small pinch of salt. Stir everything together gently. To elevate the flavor, add about 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This brightens the entire sauce. Then, stir in approximately 1/4 cup of your finely chopped fresh mint or dill. These herbs are key to that authentic kebab sauce taste. Give it a good stir, then taste and adjust the seasonings. You might want a little more salt or perhaps a dash of black pepper. Once seasoned to perfection, cover the sauce and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious kebab yogurt sauce is now ready to enjoy. Serve it generously alongside your favorite grilled kebabs, falafel, or even as a dip for fresh vegetables. For an extra touch, garnish with a fresh mint sprig or a light drizzle of olive oil. This sauce is incredibly versatile. Remember, life's too short for a stinky car, so check out the link in the description for Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Any leftover sauce can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, maintaining its freshness and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.